Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wise Man, and today I am going to give you review on this grow fast granular slow release fertilizer for indoor and outdoor plants. Okay, so you can see that for potted plants you can just need 1 tablespoon of this. You have to spread it on the soil 5 centimeter away from the stem. Okay, so wherever you have the plant you have to spread this away from the stem, and then you can see that it has NPK fertilizer, and wear gloves before you do spreading of this fertilizer. So I will spread this today is Saturday, and after 1 week I will make one more video which is attached to this, and we will see how this flowering and how this leaves are growing for both these plant. So as you can see, this fertilizer has been sprinkled, has been poured on this two different pots, and I will show you the improvement on these leaves if something happen, and on this flowerings after 1 week of time duration. So this is after 1 week review. So as you can see, I have inserted this fertilizer, and small leaves are start popping up from this tree. And as you can see, it was first as you can see over here, it was first like it was first not growing well, and the petals, or you can the leaves are falling down. But now as you can see, the new leaves are coming up. Maybe it's due to this fertilizer, but as you can see, I have only sprayed the fertilizer and all the conditions are same. It is inside the house, so this thing is coming up. That is nice. Now let's see the second tree that I have, the leaf one, and let's see that one. So as you can see over here also, I have inserted this fertilizer, and the and the plant, it's growing well, and the growth rate I think is developed, because I can see different small petals or leaves are coming up. So fertilizer is doing its work. So as you can see, it's after 1.5 months, and the productivity, or you can see the growth of the plant is increased. With some flowers and new leaves are coming. So I saw that with this fertilizer, the growth is increased compared to when I haven't put the fertilizer into the sand. So that's all for this review. If you like this review, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wise Man. Thank you.